This is Crib's Hymas Homestead style. Welcome to my crib.
Yeah.
As you enter Hymas Homestead, you will find that you can, well, if you're entering through the garage, if you enter through the garage, we have a coat closet here, and we will have a nice little powder room over here.
Little half bath.
Little half bath powder room. Most people will enter through a beautiful door that will be right here.
Tell them a little bit about the door.
The door is a knotty alder.
Yeah.
And we're going to have the full side lights, so the windows that go on the side. And it's kind of a Craftsman shaker style door, which I'm absolutely in love with. I think it's gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm excited about it too.
And nice wide, so there's no more like running into each other when we come in and messing, you know, we got dogs coming in and out.
So this would be the view from coming in the front door at one point when it's done. So.
But when it's done, it'll look better than that. This
Yeah.
isn't going to actually be the view.
I think we'll have like some kind of one of those long tables.
The mirror, like a drop zone with the mirror
Yeah.
over it. And then so you'll come in, and then you'll turn to an angle to go this way, past the stairs into the main area.
Yeah. Pretty kind of great room concept. We said kitchen down there, office down that way.
All right, so this point you can see our lovely, nice wide door that leads to our office that will go the entire underside of this covered area. So very nice size office.
They're gonna frame that all into a building on this side.
Built-ins, we will have built-ins over here next to our fireplace. And this will all be a nice seating area, hanging out, chilling, enjoying the view.
All new windows are
All new
coming
windows.
in. Yep.
There'll be a slider somewhere in this general vicinity because someday we'll have an amazing deck that goes out there.
Yep. I'm excited.
And then in about this vicinity, we're going to have the dining table. So
Yep.
this will be dining room area. And then over here we have our kitchen with pantry. That's just marked off by the wood here. So this will be a pantry.
Kind of see where she's standing. Yeah.
And then this here, which used to be, oh, see, this is how we can remember. This is the shower hole in the fridge, and then the toilet was in the pantry.
That's right. So that'll be where our refrigerator will go after the remodel.
Yep.
And then we show them the door to the master bedroom.
It is right here is the door to the master. And welcome. This is where the magic's going to happen.
That's right.
There will be a pocket door here into our walk-in closet.
Yeah.
Well, you'll enter it on this side. The pocket will go this way.
Yeah.
So you would enter the closet over here. There'll be no door. We're not going to have outside access to our closet. We're going to have just a nice small frosted window there that lets in some light. But the main reason is because from the outside you want it matching the powder room window and flanking the main entry door that will be in the middle over here.
I'm gonna show them the master bathroom.
Master bathroom. This is where we get cleaned up.
Right.
Or, you know, maybe not.
Offload.
This is the water closet.
That's right.
There's a nice little water closet in here. And then this will be a walk-in shower, doorless walk-in shower. There's a little small wall here to help prevent water from coming out. Behind that will be a nice little bench seat thing for sitting or storing your
We're
shampoo.
gonna have a rain head and a standard shower head as well.
Then we'll have our double sink vanity in this area. Someday, or some type of shelving or linen tower over here just to maximize space. Then there'll be a soaking tub in this area.
Yeah, and just like a nice little family room right here. Get our TV hung back up there on the fireplace. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool.
Super excited. It's
I know.
exciting that it's taken shape.
Yep, starting to see a little bit what it's gonna be. It'll be fun to have a video that follows up and kind of shows it finished. All right.
So downstairs, there's not a whole lot going on. We are getting new doors all over and new windows, so that will be awesome in and of itself. But the main thing that's happening down here is we're expanding to that office up above that you saw, and so below, hey, why not close that in too? So right now this is just a temporary block that they're going to sheet off.
Because that was a slider before this.
Yes. So they've removed the slider, and from this wall, so straight across from me and all the way out is going to be workout slash bonus, maybe a guest room type thing, but
Yep, all the way out to that post.
Yep. Basically the size of that pad. Main purpose will be a workout room, but we'll see what other purposes we decide.
We have an orange screen instead of a green screen. But,
Yes, yeah. I don't think it works the same.
It actually would, because you can
Would it
pick
really?
your color key. Yeah, maybe
Oh, there you go.
if I'm feeling Jonesy and stupid, I'll pick something and put it on there. So go behind you.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Anyway, this is the downstairs. We have some older videos of it even before we painted and added a little bit of art, and well, before we destroyed it and put everything against the wall for the contractor.